Okay, perfect. So, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duelist Advance. Very exciting. And let's see what we get. We're gonna open the first pack carefully. Oh shit, okay. Might not even need my... Nice. Wow, this one just opened right from the top like that. Okay. I'll take it. Oh my god, come on. Okay, well this one was ruined, so no. Oh my god, my cards. Oh my god, my cards. Oh shit, ah shit. Alright. Okay, I'll try again with the next one. Alright, let's see, let's see. Let me fix the focus here. Watch this be the chase card. Hold on, I'm trying to fix the lighting, okay? Alright, that's better. That's better, right? That's better, yeah. Oh. Okay. It's a trap card. Alright. Where's my focus, brother? Alright. Is this okay? Does this look okay, guys? Are we okay with this? Does it look okay? If it touches a roly-poly, fuck you, gluten. Surprisingly, I haven't seen any roly-polies down here. More earwicks this year, no roly-polies. Okay. Let me just turn this down a little bit. It's too loud for me. Okay. Alright. Shipping error. Theo Realize. The Star Ham. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. Link Slayer. Heroic Champion. Ukano Mitsune no Tamayura. Very cute. Regenesis Cycle. Spirit Poacher. And RBGA10 Driller. Alright, but I gotta fix this because I'm not liking the way this looks today. I don't know what the hell. Okay, that's much better. Okay, that is actually much better. There we go. Okay, I am significantly happier with that. Doesn't that look like way better? Alright, cool. So, yeah. We'll go ahead and put this sucker in here. Just put that to the side for now. Alright, let's try this again. Can we... What the hell is with these packs? What the fuck? Okay, this... I guess these are like... That one's all fucked up too. I don't know what the problem with these packs are. Alright, I don't know what the number is for this, so we're just gonna see what happens here. Okay, Sudden Thunder Swamp. Steel String Sacrifice. Prototype Psychic Blaster. Heroic Champion. Ooh, Art Mage Latera. Okay, how many cards was that from the front? 4? Okay, cool, 4. the Star Ham, Leo Wizard the Dark Fiend, Ashlyn U1000, and Theo Realize. Yeah, Art Mage is a good one too if I get it in another rarity. It'll be a very good one to have. It's an expensive one. But this is just a rare. Damn, what is with this pack? Okay, this one actually opened pretty nicely. Okay, this is the one I saved then. I don't know why they're opening so weird, but whatever. I don't know if these are going to be right, but we're going to see. Ooh, we got Angry Burger. Okay, Novellas Recipe Book. Serene Psychic Girl. Art Mage Pack. Layer 19. Super Quantal Fairy Zeton. Valen. And... okay, one more after this. We got Ukano Mitsune and RB Funk Doc. Neat. RP Funk Doc. Very funky. You know, very funky. Alright. Return of the Duelist. Art Mage Pack. Leo Wizard the Dark Fiend. Gaia Stream. Hush Psychic Minister. Ukano Mitsune no Anari. Luna Light Masquerade. Heroic Champion. And RB Valkan Rocket. Sex Haver cards. Okay, Angry Burger. Ashlyn. Unbreakable XYZ Barrier. Miasma Dragon Tistina. Wake Up Mocha. Dark Flare Swordsman. Super Quantum Black Layer. Vanquish Soul Start, and Readying of Rights. Ooh, that card looks pretty cool. I like the way that one looks. Dude, so far I think Hamstar does take the cake. I have to agree. Definitely. Absolutely. 100%. 100. You know what? Is it just me? I feel like my VTube is lagging a little bit. Does it look like she's lagging a little bit? With the mouth? Yeah, right? I wonder why. Okay, I just did something, but if it looks like it's still lagging, let me know. I noticed stuff. Okay, XYZ Lay. Luna Light Silverhound. Cute. Serene Psychic Girl. Novellis recipe book. Prototype psychic blaster. Valen the Super Psy Sky Blaster. Crossmine Archfiend. Teleport Fusion. And Zubababa Knight. The Zubababas are back, guys. The Zubababas. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's lagging now. Which is, like, kind of sad because I just stopped, V-Bridger. I just stopped V-Bridger, so I don't know if that was the issue, but I'm using it again, so let's see. It looks like it's lagging. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But it looked like lag stopped when I stopped the V-Bridger. Okay, Luna Light Silverhound. Link Slayer. Return of the Duelist. Psychic Omnibuster. Miracle Raven. Mutiny in the Sky. Spirit Poacher. Teleport Fusion. And Gaga Gaga Ganbara Knight. Gaga 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 Goo Goo Gaga. Yeah. Psychic Omnibuster, The Monster's Master Plan, Link Slayer, The Star Ham, Steel String Sacrifice, Moon Magician, Inferno of the Ashened, Miracle Raven, and ooh, we got Archmage Grifflair. In an ultra. Okay. Archmage Vandalism Assault. Moon Gardna. Unbreakable XYZ Barrier. Gaia Stream the Graceful Force. Dark Flare Swordsman. Chef de Novellis. Ukano Mitsune no Anari. And Sudden Thunder Swamp. And Guilt Gripping Morganite. It's a pretty cool looking card. Very neat. Okay, shipping error. Absolute Axon Kicker. Art Mage. Masterwork. Miasma Dragon. Crossmine Archfiend. Wake Up Mocha. Inferno of the Ashened. And oh, Hush Psychic Minister. And Trapaholic. Trapaholic, very pretty. Yeah, it's just the same playlist I listen to when I open Yu-Gi-Oh! It's just a Yu-Gi-Oh! Lo-Fi. Archmage Power Patron. So cute. Spring. Novellis Recipe Book. Regenesis commands. Mutiny in the Sky. Chef de Novalis. Ukano Mitsune. Layer 19. And Tessera the Primal Squire. That's cool. Ew, gluten. Don't mention that little degen. One, two, three, four. Serene Psychic Girl. XYZ Lay. Novellis. Gaia Stream, The Graceful Force. Luna Light, Masquerade. Steel Stringed. Ukano Mitsune. Mutiny in the Sky. And Morgana the Witch of Eyes. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. So far we're getting a lot of super rares. Gotten one ultra rare. A lot of packs and a lot of cards in these packs though. There's 9 cards in each pack. Angry Burger. Regenesis commands. Starham. Archmage Power. Prototype Psychic Blaster. Regenesis Cycle. Layer 19. Heroic Champion. And RB GA Tendriller. Gaia Stream, The Graceful Force. XYZ Lay. Angry Burger. Psychic Omnibuster. Buoy of the Dawn's Light. Wow, that's pretty. Regenesis Cycle. Sudden Thunder Swamp. Super Quantal Fairy Zeton. And Gagaga Utopic Tactics. Okay, getting a couple of the same. One, two, three, four. I declare them war. Okay. Return of the Duelist. And Archmage Pact. Luna Light Silverhound. Unbreakable XYZ Barrier. Crossmine Archfiend. Sun and Thunder Swamp. Velen the Super. Luna Light Masquerade. Ooh! Dogga. Nerva the Power Patron of Creation. Well, there you go. There's your secret. Ah, this isn't a Starlight. It's a secret. Here we go. Oh. Guess you did. One secret so far. probably the only secret I'm gonna get for the rest of this box, so. Okay, the Monarch's Master Plan. Return of the Duelist. Absolute Axon. Ashlyn. Chef. Inferno. Dark Flare Swordsman. Mutiny in the Sky. And Art Mage Academic Arcane Arts Acropolis. Ooh, okay, another secret. Wow. 2 secrets in a row. Just like a mix of keto for right now. Okay, Art Mage Masterwork, Ashlyn, Moon Gardna, the Monarch's Master Plan, Hush Psychic Minister, Teleport Fusion, Super Quantum, Steel String Sacrifice. Ooh, first of the Dragon Lords. Alright, actually banned. Alright, Art Mage Vandalism Assault, Link Slayer, Spring, Leo the Wizard, Prototype Psychic Blaster, Spirit Poacher, Dark Flare Swordsman, Super Quantal, Fairy Zeton, and Mind Procedure. Very cool. Very cute. Unbreakable XYZ Barrier, Art Mage Pack, Lunalight Silverhound, Leo, Spirit Poacher, Miracle Raven, Lunalight Masquerade, Crossmind, and Monarch Perfection. Looks good. After asking for the Tay off. Okay, Art Mage, Moon Gardna, Art Mage, Theo Realize, Moon Magician, Wake Up, Akano Mitsune, Hush Psychic, and Parallel Teleport. Very cool. Theo Realize, Art Mage, Moon Gardna, Art Mage, Vanquish Soul, Moon Magician, Layer 19, Miracle Raven, and Argo Star's Adventurous Arian. Whoa, Ultra. Looks good. Miasma Dragon, Serene Psychic, Shipping Error, the Monarch's Master Plan, Super Quantum, yugioh, Regenesis Cycle, Vanquish Soul Start, and RB Valken Booster. Jesus, I really did something with these packs to open them this time, my god. Wish my dad's dog would shut up. Regenesis Commands, Absolute Axon Kicker, Spring, Archmage Power, Wake Up, Inferno of the Ascent, yugioh, Chef de Novelles, and ooh, Luna Light Liger Dancer. A liger. Very cool. Okay, last pack magic for this box. One, two, three, four. I declare a thumb. Or XYZ Lay, Regenesis Commands, Spring, Archmage, Super Quantal, Valen, Ukano Mitsune, Teleport Fusion, and the Monarch's Revolt. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Next one. Angry Burger, Ashlyn, Unbreakable, Miasma Dragon, Wake Up, Dark Flare, Super Quantum, Vanquish Soulstar, and Silent Psychic Magician. Ooh. Come on, give me one Starlight out of here. XYZ Lay, Luna Light, Serene Psychic, Novellas, Prototype, Valen, Crossmine Archfiend, Teleport Fusion, and ooh, Luna Light Perfume Dancer. My god, she looks like a Sailor Moon villain. I'm actually trying to pull an Agumon. Thank you very much. Okay, Luna Light Silverhound, Link Slayer, Return of the Duelist, Psychic, Miracle Raven, Mutiny in the Sky, Spirit Poacher, Teleport Fusion, and Gaga Ga Utopic Tactics. I am not a fake fan. I love Digimon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Art Mage, Vandalism, Moon Gardener, Unbreakable XYZ Barrier, Gaia Stream, Dark Flare, Chef, Ukano Mitsune, Sudden Thunder Swamp, and Loose the Dusk's Dark. Psychic Omnibuster, the Monarch's Master Plan, Link Slayer, Star Ham, Steel String, Moon Magician, Inferno of the Ashenend, Miracle Raven, and Guilt Gripping Morganite. Okay, we've gotten a couple of duplicates so far, as far as these go. Not a fan of that. Ham, Star Ham. Shipping Error. Absolute Axon. Art Mage. Miasma Dragon. Crossmine Archfiend. Wake-Up. Inferno. Hush Psychic. And Go 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 Goblin Burke. Art Mage, Spring, Recipe Book, Regenesis Commands, Mutiny in the Sky, Chef, Ukano Mitsune, Layer 19, and Number FO Utopic Future Zexal. Nice. Ultra. Okay, Angry Burger, Regenesis Commands, the Star Ham, Art Mage, Prototype, Regenesis Cycle, Layer 19, Heroic Champion, and Do Warrior. Oh my god, he looks like, what's his name? From, Dungeon Meshi. Another Ultra, though. That's cool. The Ultra? Do Warrior. Let me see. Yeah, this Starlight for Do Warrior is 34. But that was just an ultra rare. Okay, Gaia Stream, XYZ Lay, Angry Burger, Psychic Omnibuster, Yugioh, Regenesis Cycle, Sun and Thunder, Super Quantal, and RB Valken Rocket. I feel like I've gotten three of these already. I imagine I did. Okay, Miasma Dragon. Psychic. Absolute. Shipping Error. Yugioh. Moon Magician. Super Quantum. Vanquish Souls. And Zubababa Knight. You're such a liar, Gluin. It is nice how packed these cards are, though. Oh. Okay, well, another cannon rocket. Jesus. Return of the Duelist. Archmage. Luna. Da, 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 da. Way too many freaking Valken rockets, that's for damn sure. Had to get a hotel. You eat Cheesecake Factory first. Cheesecake Factory is very good. The Monarch's Master Plan. Return of the Duelist. Absolute. Ashlyn. Chef. Inferno. Dark Flare. Mutiny in the Sky. And Parallel Teleport. So many dupes for the rares. It's kind of annoying. Not my favorite set so far. Unbreakable. Archmage. Lunalight. Leo Wizard. Spirit Poacher. Miracle Raven. Lunalight. Crossmine Archfiend, and ooh, we got a Starlight, not Starlight, we got a secret. Archmage Diactorus. The Starham. We've gotten a couple of secrets, a couple of ultra rares, a lot of duplicate super rares. So yeah, little annoying. Archmage Masterwork, Ashlyn, Moon Gardna, the Monarch's Master Plan, Hush Psychic, Teleport Fusion, Super Quantum, Steel Stringed, and another secret, Lunalight Gold Leo. Okay, Archmage. Oh. Linkslayer. Spring. Leo. Prototype. Spirit Poacher. Dark Flare. Super Quantal. And Primate Fusion. You have a high five carrying over pen. It's a cool looking card. Yeah, the fusion. Fusions are always good looking cards though. Okay. Archmage Vandalism. Moon Gardener. Archmage. Theo Realize. Moon Magician. Wake Up. Ukono Mitsune. Hush Psychic. And Gagaga Gunbara Knight. Gagaga Gunbara Knight. How many packs per box? 24. So 48 packs. Theo Realize. Archmage. Moon Gardener. Archmage. Vanquish Soul. Moon Magician. Layer 19. Miracle Raven, and Monarch Perfection. Is it really? That's funny. Miasma Dragon. Serene Psychic. Shipping Error, Monarch's Master Plan, Super Quantum, Yugioh, Regenesis Cycle, Vanquish Soul, and Vanquish Soul Rocks. We don't have this one yet. Very cool. Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Come on, one Starlight. Just one Starlight out of a set like this would make it really worth. Because I'm not a fan of this set. Yeah, but the hams are cool. Regenesis Commands, Absolute Axon, Spring, Archmage Power, Wake Up, Inferno of the Ashen, Yugioh, Chef. Ooh, we got an Ultra RB the Brute Blues. Okay, only a couple more packs. I don't think we're gonna get it, gotta be honest. XYZ Lay, Regenesis Commands, Spring, Archmage Power, Super Quantal, Valen, Ukano Mitsune, Teleport Fusion, and ooh, we got another Ultra Vanquish Soul Holly Sue. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is one of the chase cards, but for a secret. The ultra rare is $30 though, so I mean, very cool. $30 card right here. $30 card. Very cool. Oof, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the Star Ham. Leo Wizard. Ashlyn. Theo Realize. Sun and Thunder Swamp. Steel Strings. Prototype. Heroic Champion. Ooh, an Archmage Laterra. Very cute. Shipping error. Theo realize. The Star Ham. Link Slayer. Heroic Champion. Ukano Mitsune. Regenesis Cycle. Spirit Poacher. Readying of Rites. Which we have this one already. So there's that. Okay. I do not think we're gonna get a Starlight, man. We did get quite a few secret rares and we got some good ultra rares though, so that's not bad. Alright, Spank for good luck. Angry Burger. Novella. Serene Psychic. Archmage Pact. Layer 19. Super Quantal Fairy Zeton. Valen. Ukano Mitsune. And RB Funk Doc. Okay, last one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are such little stupid people in my chat. So stupid. Alright. Return of the Duelist. Archmage Pact. Leo Wizard. Gaia Stream. Hush Psychic. Ukano Mitsune. Luna Light Masquerade. Heroic Champion. And Galaxy Wardrake. Alright. Alright. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. We got some pretty nice cards. Pretty decent. Pretty decent.